Mike the Disgruntled Mechanic here. Got a sway bar link here we're going to replace on the 2000 Honda. Here's the bottom of it. You can't really see this very well, but this will be the bottom. I'm going to go around and show you the top, and I'll show you what one looks like before I put on. There's not too much to it. This doesn't look too rusted. I think rather than cutting this one off, we can actually use regular tools to take it off, which is unusual around here. But I'll show you what I'm going to do and basically replace this. I'll get the new one and show you that to give you an idea of what's going to happen here. So as you see here, you start with the washer, then a bushing, then you go above, then you'll have another bushing, then a washer, then your spacer, then another washer, then a bushing on top of that, and then another washer. And you just take that off and replace it. I mean, it's pretty straightforward. I'll get the new one and show you what that looks like real quick. So basically that's what it looks like. You just have to stack it in there right when you go to put it on. And the reason, actually this one doesn't look that bad. The other side was bad, but you had to buy them in a pack of 2. So, well, here we are. We got 2 of them, and we'll put it on. Now we'll see how well this comes out. It doesn't look too rusted. Yep. Oh, she be smoking. Did PB blaster a little bit. Sometimes you got to gain ground or lose ground. Don't want to touch that baby. There it is. There's the old one out. May have to spread this just a hair. Alrighty, there it is, there it is. There we go. Now once I chase down my one piece, I can put it back together. Now they're probably different sizes. Yeah, that one's not. And normally I tighten them so that they come out to about the size of your, if you want to call it your washer. And that's about where I stop. Good enough for me. So there you have it. That's replacing the stabilizer link on a 2000 Honda EX Civic. Thanks for watching. This is Mike the Disgruntled Mechanic. Just remember, if you can get somebody else to do it, you're probably better off. See you next time. Bye.
Oh, you dirty, rotten bolt! How could you break off? You dirty, rotten mother! Oh, dirty, rotten! How dare you break? Oh, I can't believe it broke off! Not again! Oh, man alive! Son of a... Oh, I can't believe it broke off! Jesus! No wonder I'm the disgruntled mechanic!